What's up YouTube, it's your girl Roxy, and today I'm going to make a video about hemp milk, basically. So I got this hemp creamer for my coffee the other day. It's pretty much a new product, real hemp cream, guys. It does say non-GMO verified, but it does not say organic. There's only 4 ingredients, okay? So we have got hemp cream, and 2% less of dipotassium phosphate and natural flavors. And water, obviously. Okay, so we got this. You can add to your coffee. We got hemp seeds here, the actual hemp seeds. If you haven't seen them, this is what they basically look like. And I'm going to show you guys how to make your own hemp milk creamer in case you don't like this product, because actually it's not that good. Just an honest review. Alrighty, so I got my coffee. Whoop whoop, just black coffee. Guys, I just got this at the hotel, so it's potentially not organic. Definitely get organic coffee. It tastes way better. It's way better than this. But this is just an example to show you making my hemp milk latte, basically. Okay, so the main point of this video is to show you guys really how to make your own hemp milk creamer, so you don't have to spend $5 on this product and then think, ooh, it does not taste that good. Like, I don't know, dude, the flavors. It's just, they did not do a good job. So I'm just honest review. This is one of the first.
Nope. Hell no. $5 and it was actually on sale. It's usually like $6.
I used half of it and then I left half in the car, so it got hot, so I can't really use this right now. But I still have the container. It's made from at least it's got omega-3s. Cool.
So let's get to the point here. Here I got my little blender. Alright, so all I gotta do is add water. I got spring water here. Probably like, how much ever milk you want, that's how much water you gotta add, obviously. Okay. Here's the hemp seeds. Woo woo. I got these at Natural Grocers, and guys, they say non-GMO. So even if you're not eating organic, make sure you're eating non-GMO. Please. You don't want to eat genetically modified food that is banned in other countries. So come on, America. Get serious. Alright, so this is the part where, you know, you just got to figure out your exact amount you want to add. I think about a tablespoon is probably fine. And you can just do it like this. Just straight hemp seeds. Let's do this.
Loves coconut oil. Ooh. Virgin. I love that virgin oil.
Ooh, you see that froth there? That's great. Okay, so you can just make plain hemp milk. It's 2 ingredients, even less than 4 ingredients, okay? But I am gonna add 2 more ingredients myself. Stevia, organic, guys, non-GMO, because like, it's nice to have a little bit of sweetness, because the hemp seeds, they have a little bit of a weird bitterness to them, I would say. Okay. Let's add a little bit there. And then I say, why not add coconut oil? Because people do that kind of stuff. And then they call it like a bullet. And I think it just makes it a little creamier. I think coconut and hemp together are great. Oop, getting messy. All right, let's try that. Guys, and while you're blending stuff up, just bless it and just say thank you. Should be good to go. All right, if you guys want to take it to the next level, what you can do is you can sort of put it through a sift. pour it through a sift so it catches any debris. But if you keep on blending it, it's just going to cut it all up. All those hemp seeds are very soft. There it goes. And there you have it. You got sort of a little latte. Guys, that's creamy. That's really creamy. That's actually one of the better ones I've ever made. Hemp milk latte. I'm gonna add a little more. Damn, look at that. Okay, can't see it now, but. Hemp milk latte. Hemp milk coffee, guys. This is great. So, I would suggest to make your own hemp creamer. This is a waste of money. These hemp seeds right here, this whole bag of hemp seeds was cheaper than this container, and that's only going to last you a few days. This has lasted me like a month. I haven't used it every day, but I bring my blender with me anytime I have the chance. I make myself a little drink. Thanks guys for watching True Rebels Go Raw. Just another video to help bring you guys awareness of all the different things you can do to get healthier. Just the alternatives, especially non-GMO. That's what True Rebels Go Raw is all about. Just the raw, unprocessed food. So the hemp seeds, making it yourself in the blender is really the way. Less processed. I think you can really taste the processing in here. There's something strange. It's like off or something. Must be off. That's all I can think about. So, plant-based since 1925. Can't figure out how to make it taste good. Peace and love, guys. Thank you for everything. Thanks for watching.